going on, guys? Today we're gonna make a little bit different of a video. I'm gonna actually drive up to a pretty sick driving spot called Highway 9, and we're just gonna go for a ride today. Yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing a cold start. So far, I'm loving the Mark 8 GTI. Literally one of the best GTIs to ever roll off Volkswagens, like, ever. Running the stock exhaust for now. Too scared of California state ref. We still got a tune on. We got the intake on from Integrated Engineering as well as the tuning. But yeah, I love this car so much. Stage 1 makes 350, I believe. And then once we put ethanol on it, it bumps it up to 377. So we're waiting to put the intercooler on still. I'm waiting for the tuning for that, and we're gonna go up to stage 2, and I'll take you guys along for that when that time comes. Also, never really touched on this, but I have the 034 wheels, the flow formed wheels. They're pretty dope. I like them, super sick. They make the car look really, really hot. Let's go ahead, top her off with some gas and go for a drive. The little PNR shifter. These past few months, I haven't really been able to make a lot of content. I've just been working, losing work, finding a new place to live. If you guys don't even know, I moved about 5-6 months ago to Santa Cruz, and that's where I'm at right now. Hence why we're going up to Highway 9, one of my favorite driving spots in the world. But yeah, just lifing, you know. You gotta deal with stuff as it comes. You can't really stress about anything. Stressing never helps. But yeah, we're just getting through life. If you guys are in a similar situation, let me know. I got you. I'm so impressed on how this car drives and handles. Everybody says, oh, it's the ugliest car in the world. But dude, I think it's the complete opposite. The Mark 8 is literally the best car you can buy in 2024. Best hatchback you can buy. It's insane. We're gonna go ahead and do a pull once we hit the freeway right here. And this thing rips. This thing rips for stage 1. No mods, just an intake and a tune. And this thing is literally gapping your V8, bro. Shout out to the dude I absolutely destroyed. I don't know. He's in Fresno somewhere. It's a 10-speed 5.0 Mustang. Absolutely clapped his cheeks. Gotta put her in sport mode. One gear. That was one gear, and we hit like 80 in like 2 seconds. Alright, we're about to hit the gas station. This is my favorite one, right before we actually hit the 9 road, like lower 9. It has ethanol and just normal gas, so we're gonna go ahead and fill up with just pump 91. Yeah, if you guys don't live in California, we have the world's worst 91 octane. Pretty much all our fuel is just absolutely garbage. So if our car blows up at some point, it's just because of the fuel. It has so much bad contaminants in it, and it's just not a good fuel. And on my mom's car, it actually throws like a knock light, a bad fuel quality light every time she rips on it. Acquired blue Red Bull, topped off with gas. We're ready to rip. All right, I've never had this flavor of Red Bull. We're gonna go ahead and give it a taste test. Let's hear that. Let's hear that. Oh yeah. Ooh, hella good. I don't know. My go-to is coconut. I don't know. This thing is hecka good. I highly recommend it. Don't recommend it for your heart though. But this car doesn't have headrests, so I just gotta figure out something in the meantime. Right now I'm just holding it. I'm gonna get some still shots with the tripod setup here soon. Alright, we made it to skid pad. It's like the middle between lower section and the upper section. So this is like where everybody gathers, but there's no one here. Granted, it is a Monday. So we're gonna chill here for a little bit and then grab some clips from the outside. I'm gonna set my camera up on some of my favorite corners and we'll do some runs. Man, this car is so freaking fun. It just handles exactly what you want to do, where you throw it. You point, it shoots. It's like the best car, the best bang for your buck. All right, we're gonna go ahead and head down the mountain. It was super fun up here. I hope you guys enjoyed the clips. We're gonna go ahead and grab some food real quick and then I'll end the video. Unfortunately, I couldn't find anybody to ride with. There just wasn't a lot of people up here today and it is Monday, so it is what it is. But I'll catch you guys at the food or the restaurant.